You're going to have to drag me off this ship. That's how nice it is. What ship, you ask? Well, I'm on the cruise line Explora Journeys, and I'm on their ship Explora II, and it is absolutely stunning. In this video, I'm going to share some details about Explora Journeys and who I think it's right for. First and foremost, Explora Journeys does not consider themselves a cruise. They consider themselves an ocean journey. So it's like you're in a boutique hotel, just floating around from destination to destination. And it definitely feels like that. It does not feel like a traditional cruise. Explora Journeys is an all-inclusive experience, and just about everything that's on this ship is included, with the exception of one restaurant, your shore excursions, and then if you want any spa services like a massage or anything like that. Other than that, everything is included. So you walk onto the ship and you don't have to pay for anything if you don't want to. And personally, I've loved that. We've been on many, many cruises and we buy the drink package. Sometimes we don't buy the drink package. Sometimes we add extras. Sometimes we don't add extras and we pay for them when we're on board. But when you walk on board this ship, everything is included. So I haven't even really had to pull out my card at all unless it's getting in and out of my room. Other than that, you don't need your card. You walk right up to a bar, you get a drink, you don't have to show your card. And that's because everything's included. You'd like a specialty coffee? Everything's included. They have water in your room. Another fun fact is that there's no bottles of water on this ship, so Explora Journeys gives you a reusable bottle that you can refill in multiple places on the ship. Plus, it's a great souvenir to take home. This has been the most all-inclusive experience that we've ever experienced at sea, and I gotta tell you, I am here for it. It's fantastic. Also, the ship holds a little over 900 guests, and right now on our ship, there's a little over 700 guests, so there's still room to grow. And the ship always feels kind of empty to me. Even in the buffet in prime times, you can always walk up somewhere, order something, get some food, find a seat. It's not hectic or crazy or anything at all. The whole thing is very relaxed, and there's plenty of places to sit by the pool. There's plenty of places to sit in a lounge. There's plenty of places to sit in the buffet, like I just said. So even though there's about 900 passengers that can potentially be on board, they usually keep it around 700 or so most of the time. I'm sure that there'll be times when they go up to the 900, but even if they do, there is still so many areas on this ship. I'm really blown away on the different places that you can go on this ship and just be by yourself. That's been great for me. Just have some solitude time. Also, the elevators, they haven't been busy at all. I think 95% of the time when Mark and I go to get on an elevator, there's nobody on it. We're on the elevator by ourselves. So that definitely speaks to the capacity of the ship and how many passengers are on it. So let me share with you who I think Explora Journeys is for. Who would enjoy this? I think my first category would be people who have been on cruises that maybe didn't like them, or people who have never been on a cruise and saying, no, 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 I don't ever want to go on a cruise. I don't like the crowds. I don't like the lines. I don't want any of that. I want a nice, relaxing vacation. If you are one of those people, then honestly, Explora Journeys is for you, because like I said earlier, it does not feel like a traditional cruise. We have some friends that we've invited on cruises in the past, and they've said, no, 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 I don't want to go on a cruise. I don't like that feeling. And their response is everything we just talked about. No crowds, no lines. I don't want to feel trapped on a ship. This cruise could be for them. This ocean journey could be for them. This is a very different experience. Also, another thought is that maybe you're the type of person that likes to stay at higher end resorts, or you like an all-inclusive. Well, the really good thing about Explora Journeys is they both check off that box. Another group of people that I think Explora Journeys would be good for are those guests and folks who are used to traveling in the exclusive areas on other ships. So if you book the Haven, if you book MSC Yacht Club, if you book Sanctuary, if you book a royal suite, any of those people that book those type of rooms where you're on a ship and you're kind of in a ship within a ship and you're in your own little area and you don't have to go out to the rest of the ship because you have your own dining room, you have your own pool, you have your own sun area, you have your own bars. There's really no need for you to go out to the rest of the ship. Well, this entire ship is that. And so I feel like if you're used to booking in those areas on other ships, you would love Explora Journeys. And I think the last group of people this would be right for are people who actually like smaller groups. So I talked about it earlier, but certainly the amount of people on the ship is less. So that means the excursions you go out on, there's less people. There's not as many lines to wait in. There's always a place to sit. You're not fighting for a seat if you want to go see a show. So if you're that person and you just don't want to deal with huge crowds, then this ship is for you. Undoubtedly. We've been on the ship for a week. We actually get off the ship tomorrow. We end in Barcelona and we get off the ship tomorrow. Everyone I have spoken to, whether it's at a restaurant or hanging by the pool, every single person I have spoken to, with no exception, honestly, has been blown away by this experience. People who have stayed on other luxury cruise lines, people who have booked the more exclusive areas on other ships, all have been blown away by this. The service has been impeccable. The food has been fantastic. Our room and the beds are so comfortable. The shows are good. Now, you're not getting your big Broadway shows like you do on some of the bigger cruise lines, but the shows have been really, really good and really fantastic. And there's enough to do on the ship to keep you busy on a sea day, to keep you busy on a port day. There's 4 pools on this ship. There's several different dining locations on this ship. There's so many hot tubs. There's so many ways to enjoy your day if you don't get off the ship. And of course, if you get off the ship, you can enjoy your port day. But this ship is phenomenal. I have nothing but great things to say, to be perfectly honest. Some people might say, oh, is Explora Journeys paying you for this? No, they're not. They are not. And Mark and I paid our own way onto this ship, as we do with every cruise line, every ship we're on. This ship is fantastic. So when I said at the beginning of the video that I have to be dragged off this ship, it's the truth. It's kind of ruined me for other cruises. Explora Journeys is definitely trying to change the conversation around cruising. They want to be different. They want to stand out. And after the week I've had on board, I would say that they are definitely accomplishing that. I definitely feel from all of the crew that's on board that they care about my vacation. They care about what we're doing. They take an interest. They come, they talk to you. They are just above and beyond. And like I said before, they care that you're here and that you chose Explora Journeys. They want you to have a great vacation in a stress-free environment. If any of this sounds great to you or sounds good to you, please feel free to reach out to me. There's a link in the description below, or you can email me. I'll put it right down here. And I'm happy to discuss Explora Journeys with you and decide if this is a right cruise line for you. Thanks so much for watching.